My dear students, now we are going to look at T flip-flop to D flip-flop conversion. So T is given for us. Now from T, what we are trying to do is we are trying to get a D. So T flip-flop is given. Flip-flop outputs are there, Qn and Qn bar. Then we have the clock input, of course. Once you try to convert this, of course there is a Q which we are coming here or here as a Qn. Okay. So let's look at the flip-flop inputs. Say D present state, next state. This we would like to get it from T. So this is a T flip-flop input. Of course, this is FF inputs. Okay. So these are the data inputs. Of course, this is there. If I see these two, this is with respect to conversion logic. These are the inputs for conversion logic. Whatever we are saying flip-flop inputs are nothing but the with respect to conversion logic, they are the outputs. So what I try to say this is with respect to conversion logic, it is output. This is what exactly we try to look at. Somehow we are going to design what exactly this circuit is, which is a combination in nature, and on the whole, we will get the conversion done. So for the inputs 0, 0, present input and present state 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is a possibility. The output Qn plus 1, the next state, which we call it as NS, next state. This is a present state, PS. So the next state is nothing but the data input. So 0, 0 and 1, 1. Qn plus 1 is same as D. So now we are trying to compare these two and we try to write that if they are same T is 0, if they are different T is 1, they are different T is 1, this is same T is 0. Now what I can say is T is function of D Qn. So now what I try to do is I will take a K map for two input two variable. So one of the input is D, another input is Qn 0 1 0 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it is 1 for 1 and 1 for 2. So there is no pairing possibility. So this is what exactly we have entered for T, and I will get expression for T. So T as D Qn bar, and it is what exactly D bar Qn. I can say this is D exclusive odd with Qn. Okay. Once I got this expression, it's very simple to look at the solution. So what exactly the solution look like is this. So the solution looks like, right, will be, what I try to do is I try to take the flip-flop, the given flip-flop, T flip-flop itself. Okay, T input, there is a clock input which is CLK, and there is a Qn which is output available as Qn, and there is another output which is complemented output which is Qn bar, same in complement form. So what we try to do is further we are going to give the input in place of T. So there is a exclusive OR gate. Output of this is nothing but input to this. The other input which I am taking from Qn bar. Okay. So this is data input, D input. So this is nothing but D exclusive OR with Qn is the output, which is nothing but T. So if you see for the external thing, it is look like a D flip-flop, but it is a converted from where? Converted from T flip-flop. So this is CLK. Now if you look at from here, okay, so inside what is there is T flip-flop, but for the outlook, if you see from this perspective, so it is a D flip-flop. So T flip-flop is converted to D flip-flop, right? So this is all. Some of the common observations if at all you make it for all the conversion process. Let's suppose if you are converting T to D flip-flop, okay, so we are converting into D. So the table starts with the D Qn plus 1, okay, from where we are moving from T. So this is T. So we will get expression for T, we will implement it. Okay. Now if you see this sequence has this diagram. This D is here, this Qn is input, right? Qn plus is next state. So what we are trying to do is, whatever the output that we are getting from D flip flop, same thing we are trying to get it from T flip flop. Once that is done, what we are trying to do, for T values we are getting from D and Qn. So that is what exactly the thing. Once that is being done, then we are getting the overall circuit. With this, in general, you can look into the whole conversion processes. Okay, the same way we did it. Totally, how many we did? 12 possible combinations we have did. Starting from, okay, SR, SR2 remaining 3, JK2 remaining 3, D2 remaining 3, T2 remaining 3. Okay, we have totally 4. Say for example, for SR, JK, DT. For JK, SR, DT. For D, SR, JK, T. For T, SR, JK and D. So totally 12 conversions done. All of them excuse me, on similar lines.